Hi students, welcome to our Easy Biology. Today our topic Krebs cycle. First, in 1937, German biochemist Sir Hans Adolf Krebs. He was discovered this Krebs cycle. This Krebs cycle, other name is citric acid cycle or TCA cycle. Citric acid cycle or TCA cycle. TCA means tricarboxylic acid cycle. Next, this Sir Hans Adolf Krebs, he got Nobel Prize for his discovery of citric acid cycle in physiology in 1953. Next, what is citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle? The series of cyclic reaction involved in converting pyruvic acid to carbon dioxide and water. Pyruvic acid to carbon dioxide and water in mitochondria, that is called as Krebs cycle. Next, two molecules of acetyl-CoA formed from linked reaction. Now that acetyl-CoA enters into TCA cycle. Next, we will discuss the steps. In link reaction, pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA. Pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA with the help of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. Pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here, NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions. Here, oxidation and decarboxylation takes place. So, carbon dioxide molecule is removed, at the same time coenzyme added. This is a link reaction. This step, oxidation and decarboxylation takes place. Here, oxidation and decarboxylation. Next, that acetyl-CoA having two carbon molecules. Next, this acetyl-CoA combines with oxaloacetate to form citrate. Oxaloacetate and acetyl-CoA to form citrate. With the help of citrate synthase. Citrate synthetase. Here, condensation process. This step, addition of water molecules and removal of coenzyme. This step is a condensation process. Next, second step, here oxaloacetate having 4 carbon molecules. Then this 4 carbon plus acetyl-CoA 2 carbon, totally citrate having 6 carbon. This is a first step reaction. Next, second step reaction. Here enzyme is a agonitase enzyme. Here dehydration takes place. Agonitase enzyme. Here dehydration. So removal of water molecules with the help of agonitase enzyme by the product cis-agonitate. agonitate also having 6 carbon molecules. This is a second step process. Next, third step. Third step is here, cis agonitate is converted to isocitrate. Here enzyme is here agonitase enzyme. This step rehydration reaction. Next, third step. In third step, cis agonitate is converted to isocitrate with the help of agonitase enzyme. Here rehydration is takes place, so addition of water molecules. So third step, addition of water molecules, rehydration. Cis agonitate is converted to isocitrate. Here also same enzyme, agonitase enzyme. Next, fourth step. Fourth step, isocitrate is converted to oxalosuccinate with the help of isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme. In this reaction, oxidation is takes place, so NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. Isocitrate is converted to oxalosuccinate. NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions with the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme. Isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme. Next, fifth step. In fifth step, oxalosuccinate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate with the help of oxalosuccinate decarboxylase. In this step, the fifth step, decarboxylation is takes place, so removal of carbon dioxide. Oxalosuccinate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate. Fifth step, removal of carbon dioxide with the help of oxalosuccinate decarboxylate. Next, sixth step. In sixth step, alpha ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl-CoA with the help of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme. In sixth step, oxidation and decarboxylation is takes place. So, decarboxylation process, removal of carbon dioxide molecules, at the same time NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. Succinyl-CoA. That is the product with the help of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Here oxidation and decarboxylation. So, removal of carbon dioxide and NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions, and at the same time coenzyme also enters into this reaction. Next, seventh step. In seventh step, the succinyl-CoA is converted to succinate with the help of succinyl-CoA synthetase enzyme. Here, hydration process. So addition of water molecule at the same time GDP is converted to GTP. That GTP can then be used to make ATP molecules. Succinyl CoA to succinate. Here hydration. So addition of water molecules. Here GDP and phosphate. This step phosphorylation takes place. So GDP is converted to GTP. At the same time GTP is converted to GDP. Next the GTP can used to make ATP molecules. So ADP is converted to ATP. Next, this is a 7th step. Next, 8th step. In 8th step, succinate. This succinate is converted to fumarate with the help of succinate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here oxidation takes place. So FAD is converted to FADH2. Succinate is converted to fumarate. Here FAD is converted to FADH2 with the help of succinate dehydrogenase. Next, 9th step. Here fumarate is converted to malate with the help of fumarase enzyme. In 9th step, hydration process takes place. So addition of water molecules. Fumarate is converted to malate. Here fumarase enzyme. Here addition of water molecules. Next, 10th step. In 10th step, malate is converted to oxaloacetate with the help of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here oxidation takes place. So NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. So first acetyl CoA having 2 carbon, the 2 carbon combined with oxaloacetate that having 4 carbon, product citrate also having 6 carbon. Next the citrate to cis-agonitate, this cis-agonitate also having 6 carbon. Next isocitrate also having 6 carbon. Next oxalosuccinate also having 6 carbon molecules. Next oxalosuccinate to alpha ketoglutarate, the alpha ketoglutarate having 5 carbon molecules because 1 carbon dioxide, so the C group is removed. Next alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl CoA, the succinate CoA having 4 carbon molecules. 4 carbon molecules. So this step also removal of carbon dioxide, 1 carbon molecules going out, so 5 carbon to 4 carbon. Next the succinyl CoA to succinate, the succinate also having 4 carbon. Next succinate to fumarate also having 4 carbon. Next fumarate to malate also having 4 carbon, malate to oxaloacetate 4 carbon. The summary of link reaction and Krebs cycle in mitochondria is pyruvic acid plus NAD plus FAD plus water molecules plus ADP and phosphate in mitochondrial matrix to form carbon dioxide, NADH plus and hydrogen ions, FADH2, water molecules and ATP. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.